power sharing arrangement.
The BBC's Secunda Kamani. This is NPR News in Washington. Vanderbilt student Sarah Fuller walked onto the school's football field and into the history books this weekend as the first female to play in a Power 5 game, kicking off for Vanderbilt to start the second half. From Nashville Public Radio, Gabrielle Crutchfield reports.
Sarah Fuller is normally Vanderbilt's senior goalkeeper for the soccer team, but this weekend she took on a new sport. Fuller made history as she delivered the opening kickoff in Vanderbilt's game against Mizzou. During the game, Fuller rocked a gold helmet with the words "Play like a girl" written on the back. She says she hopes appearances in the game encourages young girls to step out and do something big like this.
Honestly, it's just so exciting, and the fact that I can represent like the little girls out there who wanted to do this or, thought about playing football or any sport, really.
This makes Fuller only the third woman to play the Football Bowl subdivision game. For NPR News, I'm Gabrielle Crutchfield in Nashville.
Former New York City Mayor David Dinkins was honored last night in Harlem. The first African American to lead the city died Monday at the age of 93. Current Mayor Bill de Blasio praised Dinkins in an event at the National Action Network's House of Justice.
He hasn't left us. He's left us physically. He hasn't left us in our hearts. His mission continues. He continues to inspire.
Dinkins served as the 106th mayor of New York from 1990 to 1993. I'm Louise Schiavone, NPR News, Washington.
Support for NPR comes from NPR stations. Other contributors include Netflix, with Dance Dreams, Hot Chocolate Nutcracker, spotlighting Debbie Allen and following her dance academy as they prepare for Allen's annual twist on the classic holiday production, now streaming on Netflix.
You have been wearing your mask, you've been washing your hands, you've been social distancing, and covering that sneeze. You are awesome. And maybe you're wondering what you can do next. Hey, it's David Green here from NPR. It is true, you've done a lot right this year. Keep it going. It's Giving Tuesday, and you can make a difference in your community by donating to this NPR station right now. Here's how.
Please call 353-9528 or visit wjct.org.
This is Weekend Edition from NPR News. Lulu Garcia-Navarro is off this week. I'm Sarah McCammon. There's been a lot of really good news recently about coronavirus vaccines. And while they are on the way, it's worth remembering it will likely be months before members of the general public can get inoculated. There are nearly 330 million people in the U.S., and the government promises just shy of 6.5 million doses of a new vaccine will be distributed to states and available by mid-December. Federal health officials say the nation's governors will decide who receives them first. Virginia Governor Ralph Northam has the unique distinction of being both a governor and a physician. So we thought we'd ask him how he's thinking about this task. He joins us now. Governor Northam, welcome.
Well, hello, Sarah, and thanks for having me. And yes, we are really excited about the vaccinations. And, while we have been fighting this pandemic, believe it or not, for close to 10 months, this is a real breakthrough. And I just would remind folks that while we're logistically working on making sure that there's a safe and effective vaccination, we still have a few months where we have to remain vigilant and continue to keep that curve as flat as we can.
Right. So as this first batch of vaccine doses becomes available soon, it looks like, as a physician and as a governor who will be responsible for deciding how to distribute those in your state, the Commonwealth of Virginia, how are you thinking about that?
We've been working on how to distribute this vaccination safely and equitably for a few months now. We have different phases that we'll use following the CDC guidelines of who are the first ones that will receive.